My name is Bo Kaufman. I'm a real estate agent with RE/MAX Performance Realty in Winnipeg. And I've created this video entitled How to Find a Great Mortgage Lender, because I feel, and everybody knows, that it's important to be pre-approved before you go shopping for houses. In fact, most real estate agents won't even show you houses unless they know that you're pre-approved with a lender. So the fact that you're pre-approved is important, but I feel it's even more important that you have the right lender behind you. So how do we find the right lender? Well, traditionally, this is how people go out and buy houses. They go to their bank first, get pre-approved, and with that letter, go find a real estate agent. And I'm going to give you a quick little story about what happened to me recently. Had a young gentleman whose family was longtime clients of one of the big banks. I won't say who they are, but they're gold level members at this bank. So now this gentleman, who's their son, is going to look at a house, and he gets the pre-approval for a $120,000 house in St. Vital. Well, even though this was a year and a half ago, you probably appreciate that $120,000 does not buy a lot in St. Vital. So we went looking at some houses. We hit about 6 or 8 houses, and he finally found one that he liked. And he says, "Bo, I really want to make an offer on this house." And I said, "Well, you better check with your bank, because I'd heard some rumors about this bank, and check with them." So he picks up the phone and calls his mortgage specialist at this bank, and he described the house that he wants to put an offer on. And when it came to the size of the house, he told the mortgage specialist, it's a nice, cute little bungalow. It's 650 square feet. And I watched his face go blank, and he said, "Well, you didn't tell me that before." It turns out that this bank only gives mortgages for houses over 750 square feet. Now, it would have been nice to know that before you spend a lot of time looking at houses that your bank won't cover you for. Now, this might seem like a rare case or a rare story, but it really isn't. A lot of banks have a lot of restrictions. So I'm going to make a suggestion to you about how to find the perfect lender. Turn things around a little bit. Don't go running to a lender first. Find your realtor first. Then, when you found the realtor that you're going to work with, ask him who he uses for a lender. Because look at it this way. As a real estate agent, I sell 50, 60, 70 homes a year. I'm not in business to lose deals and to waste your time and my time. So you can be assured that whatever lender I recommend you to can get the job done. Because let's face it, if somebody drops the ball, I'll never work with that lender again. So how about this? Find the realtor first. Ask them to make a referral to the lender. I work with a couple of different mortgage specialists and credit unions. I'll give you an example. I had a purchaser make an offer on a house, and it took 5 days for the bank and a couple of extensions to get this deal put together. On the other hand, I had another buyer with the same kind of credit. They're only putting 5% down, so it has to go through CMHC. We submitted it to the credit union that I like to use on a Monday morning at 9:30, and by 11:30 I got the call that the deal was done. That's the difference, 5 days versus 2 hours. And it might not seem like much to you. However, if you're doing offers and you're competing against other people, you want to be able to get it done really quickly. It's very important. It can make the difference between getting the house and between not getting it. So if you have any questions about this subject, please feel free to contact me. And here's my contact information. I look forward to hearing from you. So if you have any questions about this or any other real estate matter, please contact me. That's Bo Kaufman at RE/MAX Performance Realty. My direct line is area code 204-333-2202. My email is bokaufman@remax.net. Don't forget the double F and the double N in my name. My webpage is winnipeghomefinder.com, and you can find me on Facebook as well, facebook.com/Bo Kaufman. I look forward to hearing from you.